Hey, hello there YouTube guys, me Techno Rayz. Welcome back to a new video on this channel. So guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the best earphones under rupees 400. These are both Bassheads 100 as you can clearly see. So at the back of the box you get to see the earphones, and there you get to see some information, that is the technical specifications. You can pause the video to read it. Then board written on the side, board written on the other side as well. Bassheads 100 on the top. Let's quickly unbox the box. So inside the box you get to see these earphones. I've already used them for about a month and these are performing awesome. Let's keep them aside. Then you get to see the extra earbuds. The quality seems to be nice. Then you get to see the warranty card, the 1 year warranty card, and the user manual for these earphones. Let's keep this aside for a minute. Let's talk about the earphones now. Now here you get to see these earphones. These are black in color. They are available in red and blue as well. So here you get to see the earphones. The quality is super nice and they have extra bass. As you can clearly see, the wire quality is also nice. You get to see the mic here, the play pause button or to take the calls as well, the 3.5 mm headset jack. The quality is durable and it seems to be pretty nice. So this is the mic test of the boAt Bassheads 100 earphones. So the mic quality is awesome, as you can clearly listen. The audio quality is super awesome. I cannot show you the sound test cause I don't have a secondary phone on me. I am recording on my phone, so sorry for that, but the sound is also awesome. You can surely buy these earphones if you want to buy an earphone under rupees 500 or even under rupees 400. You get to see this on Amazon for around rupees 380. You get to see this in a color blue and a red as well, and the quality is super awesome. So please subscribe to our channel, that is Techno Rayz. And I know I have been inactive because I was finding a college for my further studies. Now I found it, so I will be active on this channel. So please subscribe our channel and like the video if you haven't liked till now, and turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time we upload a new video. So with that, this is me Techno Rayz signing off from this video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay awesome, stay cool, goodbye.